There'll be no more shame. There'll be no more loss. In Jesus' name. There'll be no more sorrow. There'll be no more bloodshed. He said it is finished. We believe. He said it is finished. We believe. He said it is finished. He said it is finished on the cross of Calvary. He said it is finished. Yeah, we believe. Oh, no more, no more. We believe. There'll be no more pain. There'll be no more shame. There'll be no more bloodshed. In Jesus' name. There'll be no more loss. There'll be no more sorrow. He said it is finished. We believe. Oh, he said it is finished. We There'll be no more pain in Nigeria. No more loss in Africa. There'll be no more bloodshed. No more sorrow. We believe in you, Jesus, that you're able to do exceedingly abundantly forevermore than I can think or desire. We believe, yeah. Ẹ káalẹ́, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káàárọ̀ níbi tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. I greet you all. Lórí ìtàn Moses Osaije àti Victoria Osaije tó kú lọ́jọ́ Saturday ní Venezia Mestre, Portugal. My people, I greet you. Now because of Daniel, they know her for Moses Osaije. But in name, na Daniel, everybody know her for. Where he key in wife, Victoria Osaije. Their story still continue. Daniel, I know say anywhere where you dey, then go play my video for you. I don't tell you, I sit down for your matter. You dey jail, you no go get peace for there, Daniel. Why are you lying? You are so wicked. Wicked. You animal. So, like where can't get your mouth now? What your wife, because of say you suspect am, because of say you see am with Onibo, that make you kill am. Daniel, jí now. Ọmọ kan tí mò ń sọ, jí má sùn. If
you dey lie for everybody, Daniel, you know say you no go fit lie for me, Joy Omo Yoruba. You no go fit lie for me, Joy Omo Yoruba. Daniel. I hear your voice notes this afternoon. I no be say I wan come out before, but that voice note where I hear am, I'll play am everybody here. Because the lie where you lie put for that voice note, it really make my head big. It make me know say you be animal. You no be woman being. Oh my shield. Kì í ṣerú wo ló yẹ kí Victoria fẹ́. Kì í ṣerú wo ló yẹ kó rí Tọ́pẹ́ fẹ́. Okay. Now Tọ́pẹ́ con dey get boyfriend. Now Tọ́pẹ́ wan dey get Òyìnbó. After 3. 2 girls and 1 boy. Don't show gbagbe ni. Don't you don't forget. If you lie for everybody, you know say me. That your lie out the debunk 100 times. When me go hear your voice notes, I'll come out, I'll debunk am. Daniel, if you dey hear this word, this word, I know say you go hear am. Then go tell you say, then go play this my video for you. For that prison where you dey. Every time where you, because by now your eye don't clear. I tell you now, Daniel, your eye don't clear. You dey smoke igbo. Now let me. Nobody go fit ask me if I do this one. Nobody go fit do me like this if I do this one. You know say na the pidgin wey all of us dey chop with this one now. You know wetin dey now? E get who you go dey threaten. No be today you dey threaten people about your wife. Daniel, open your ear. If them play this my video for you, open your ear very well. You are deaf. If Victoria wan get Oyinbo, no be today now. The time where Victoria no see money to eat. The time where you abandon money for, where you abandon Victoria for inside garage. Victoria supposed to get white man. If Victoria get white man, he life go better. Oh. But Victoria, because of say me they not say my husband carry me come for Europe. Okay, now make me. May leave am. May I not do anything stupid. Daniel, my people, I want everybody to hear me. I want everybody to hear me. Because Daniel, na devil. Because Daniel, na really devil. When they use stone, they stone. I go play Daniel voice notes. When one lady, wait play for in chat for YouTube. Then send me to her. I say, Daniel, I sit down put for this matter. Daniel, mo ti sọ fún ẹ pé kó má pa Tọ́pẹ́. Mo láàbò mi ní Tọ́pẹ́ wà sẹ́. I don't tell you. You see that game where you with your sister play that December. You with your sister play game. He still say smart. Bagger. Your sister no smart oh. Daniel, you don't forget. Your sister no smart. If they say who be fool for the whole world, now your sister be number 1. Now you want you say he be pastor. He want to can they deceive people. He get people where go fit take pastor deceive. No be person like me. People who know me with your wife, who really know us from 2013. You go know say Daniel you be devil. Now you come my wife. Because I see with Oyinbo is this one. If your wife gets Oyinbo, in life go better. If your wife gets Oyinbo, it go don't leave you tay. Don't be today they suffer that girl. My people, this story, this Daniel and Victoria story, now really lesson for everybody. If you they follow man, even though the man he beat us, even na the man dey feed your family, even though na the man na make una comot for, maybe una no, I never shop before, e come talk una say I don shop today. If you don't turn to gbas, leave the man, nothing dey happen. Because if Victoria leave Daniel today, Victoria go dey alive. I see beg everybody wey get children. If you get girl, he marry. If man maltreat and carry your pikin enter house, no let them come beg you yeye on top of that pikin. Say, I beg na mistake. Na because this Daniel matter now, their family don't they say na mistake. Oh, where Daniel they beat Victoria, I no see where mistake dey. Oh, that wicked man, wicked Daniel. Hey, oh my show. Lẹ́nu ìwọ. I'll play the video. I'll play the voice note now. May everybody hear.
Can we be my friend? So I say, how she be? How you see her? She record when she lived before she died. Actually, she leave voice record. This matter now December. Now this recent one, it ain't happen. When it day ground since the man carried the children go his sister place for Milano. This lady come up for house. So according to what they talk, they say the man come the fear. Say maybe you want call police. Now he carry children come up for house. Anyway. May I play the man voice record, more than listening.
Anything I want to can do. I'm my own scatter, my brother, my sister, God bless you. But remember, I need to drop my wife for house. Since yesterday, my wife not sleeping inside house. Now, we don't leave house for her. Yeah, so me and my children. So man, I continue doing what I want to. Yeah. Thank you, God bless you. Yeah, as my own scatter. God will bless you, God bless your children. Yeah, nothing in Nigeria for Christmas. We don't leave house now. Yeah, we don't leave house. Tell the children may continue with our God bless as a scatter my home. They shall be well with you. I don't leave.
Shut up for where you dey so, Daniel. Who scatter your home? No pull life for the no innocent woman. Tina. Don't be say I know the Tina, but no pull life for the innocent woman. Who scatter your home? Your life don't ready scatter, no be today. Daniel, your life you don't ready scatter. No be today, don't take. Now your life don't scatter. Now you the fellow you want put on for a neck, now make you the beat on. Daniel, now Victoria carry, where you make am beat on, for the first time abandon for Proto Sokoso in Iodolo Hospital. You abandon for hospital. Now you boy get you boy follow on that time. He follow you boy. You forget. Now you boy follow the day when you beat him with knife. Where you sit down for a neck. Where she call me middle night. Now you boy. Where be say now the December. Okay. Now because of that December time, he carry on you boy, you can't carry and go inside bush. You want go kill him. Before the assistant society come rescue him for your hand. I don't know where they made that one see go back again. No, say my husband. May they not talk say I leave my husband, my people. Leave the man in peace. Then you leave her in grave. Any man wey don't dey violent, he no get wetin you go do and he can never change. Then you don't forget, your sister used the mouth tell me. He said now so you dey beat Victoria where 12 na dey Nigeria. Where 12 na dey Nigeria. He said now so you dey beat Victoria. Before you travel, you first come Italy. Before you come carry Victoria. For camp, I won't remember you. Now your voice na me dey play. Now I go tell they remember you. camp where you for after Victoria cross river come meet you for Italy here. Na camp where una dey Zalerino in Mestre. The first girlfriend where you first get before Victoria come, wetin scatter una? No be bottle and knife, na scatter una. That one strong past Victoria, na me can leave you. Na me can leave you. When Victoria come, you go, two of na dey inside camp. Any small thing, you go carry and sit down, lead down. May raise your hand for up like this, eh? He get one day, the coins where they go do shoro, you take stone that girl faint. Victoria faint, he land in hospital. He didn't come that and never hear talo. Now you boy carry that, eh? Where you gonna say, eh? Now don't help me scatter my ass. We shall. From the beginning, you even get ass. You think whether you get ass? Because if you think, say you get ass, Daniel, you no go give Victoria to will. Eh? Now, wow. Now, no, you go believe this your lie. You are a liar. Evil. Who no, you not go believe am. They talk, may they listen. Because as you talk, now so they debunk your lie. No pull out for that innocent thing na head. Say na scatter your ass. That thing na, if they rescue your wife, I don't know the thing na for face you. Now rescue, now she they rescue your wife. Anytime when you go beat her, so we are in the night because you don't get the day where you go and beat her. Now middle night you take the beat her. Maybe the day where she dey shame. Where be say no, you don't want anybody to know say you beat her. Many times you don't beat her, don't sleep at train station. Then go break. Now person go tell me say your sister don't see train station. Oh, your husband nice to beat her. Now person say me you live on that time. Tout c'est mato. Io già detto tout c'est mato. Grande mato. Oh my shoe. They talk, oh, as they talk, and they debunk your lie.
Talk for me and my children, so make you go and answer to Sha. Make you and carry Victoria the worker. Thank you, God bless you. If not good thing do for me here, now me carry my wife on your house yesterday. Thank you. Happy Sunday. See, no verse. I'll tell you this word very important because today is the last Sunday of this year when we did. I respect you too much, everything. You understand?
Now Daniel voice, that's Moses Society voice. The voice record where he do before he succeed to kill Victoria. Now all of now the year so. Because that fight where them fight, where take carry his children go his sister place that December time before his sister come settle them. Now the voice now the year so. Now make me say both Daniel and sister then get plan. That his sister I see they come for you. Because the time when me tell and say your brother he want kill wife. I know what you tell me oh. Now you can't tell me say you be pastor. Me self I be pastor. Who you want deceive? Call Lagos, man, call Lagos now. I do know they call Jesus. I just say oh. Who? Daniel, continue, my friend. Continue.
So, and I pray that anybody when we say it's time for another person family, when will be obstacle, the obstacle will follow that person till 2021. If you know anything concerning my wife, say my wife get to Igbo the work out, my problem from her not finished. Everything this be bad man, be beat my icon they put on. And you know say my wife they go Igbo. If you know anything concerning it and you not talk at the con become a bad man, for 2021 you will see the repercussion. But if you don't know anything, say
you know see her now. You say 2020. Who don't get repercussion now? Now you now, Daniel. You swear. You don't already swear for yourself. It never even. How many months where the swear don't come? I don't already reach your body. Now Victoria, where you kill, now I can't pay me. Now pay me, Daniel. Victoria, where you kill, now pay me for this matter. Person when she say you dey talk, you go to say maybe you be woman being. If they don't know say you be animal. You be really animal. And Daniel, Moses Society as Italo they call you. They interview you, they lie. Say your wife, You say, he got boyfriend, I make you kill and you are stupid. You did very stupid. You, I don't tell you. You know, say now for the beginning. Now every time they say, my wife, they say, my wife no follow me, my wife love me. If your character good, nobody go tell you, may you leave your wife. My people, this story, now really story, oh. No, now take and get sense. My husband, where everybody they do the up and down. Look your back, oh. If you know, say my husband, me they say I get husband, me they say I get husband. He want you to grave. You better be single mother. If you see be man, if woman, if they maltreat you for inside house, be single boy or maybe single man, no, may you fulfill leave. He will say, Victoria, he agreed that night be single mother. Yes, if they single himself, they go. Because I know, say, she know not be lazy girl. She no lazy. Daniel, 99% for me, I never found improvement for that side. Because your people are the one me they dance the dance they go. As they dance and me I go they come out. How they debunk na lie. Because these people are very wicked. They're quiet until you succeed, you kill Victoria. They don't feel no say they don't know say they beat that girl like animal. If Victoria not the hospital today, if then go hospital where they Sandona, they're not Victoria. Now customer na be for Poto Soko, so that's the EIM emergency session for there. Now really customer na be for there. Now people wey no know you. Now you go they talk where they say may we they think if my dear husband see if you can't get boyfriend, if you then can't be this one. Daniel Nama, you put woman, you give the girl belle. Where now you carry and come from Nigeria, you carry and pass La Pedusa, you carry and pass river. He risk your life through that river with one picking for hand. He come here the first belle where he first get. Daniel, what you tell the belle do? Now coins where they do beggar, now you tell remove 3 months pregnant for Victoria body. Oh. Now you tell remove one for Victoria body. Before that one can get another pregnant. Before you can abandon her for that Oriago. Man wey get that Oriago, if they hear me, he go really know say now this joy of Yoruba name they follow up and down. Who no you not go believe you, Daniel? Who no you not go believe you, Daniel? You be devil, Daniel. Me and they tell you say you be devil. You know even the fear. You know get fear of God. Even Bible talking. Bible even talking. Daniel, your matter now. Now you check your mouth swear on December 10. You said the last Sunday of the year. Now you do this record. Where you take swear. Which day where you kill Victoria? Now person will help you keep the Victoria. Now they say may you kill her. Huh? Because he get boyfriend. You don't forget. Victoria go do choro come. The day where you go come meet her. You go say, may you open in pants. May you smell now. Now everything I know, that girl go dey cry. I'll say, my sister, this boy go kill you. Oh my padanu. This boy go kill you. May you waka. Hey, auntie auntie, may they not talk say he carry me come Europe. Say the end of the day, I can't leave her. I can't go give her to Ogbalegbe. I can't go give her to police. Now so everybody go they talk am. Alora. What did they do person? You know they do person anything. If you give her to Ogbalegbe, may your life better. If you give her to police, may your life better. You know pass this one. If Victoria give Daniel to Ogbalegbe that time, may give her to police that time. may be alive, he good o. He go be mother of children today. Tó bá jẹ́ kó gbé fún ọlọ́pàá ń gbà yẹn, kó jẹ́ kó ọlọ́pàá gbé, kó bá tíṣẹ̀ ń lẹ́sìn tó dáa. Ó máa wà láyé o. Ìbá mà tí kú. But kó máa sọ pé na me I give my husband because now where sabi go like this I no even know. Now where sabi pick where sabi husband. My husband Daniel, continue my friend, I dey hear you.
I dey accuse you. The 2021, you will receive this repercussion. You get children, you get son, you get daughter. You carry your son come for here. You be grandmama. You not be say hey with my wife at all. You be grandmama. You hear me so? You want make my own divorce, make my own break. So I dey beat my head, dey fight my wife. Who then go dey? In wife go dey carry Igbo. The waka outside go happy. Who Igbo go carry black? Come dey happy. They cover. They tell her.
Shut up your mouth for where you see rich so Daniel. Now me say make you shut up. Ìyálà já ẹni mo jẹ́ mo ti sọ fún ẹ rí. Ìwọ náà mọ̀ ìyálà já ẹlẹ́mi jẹ́. Shut up your mouth. If they carry Oyinbo, who be Oyinbo? Who be Oyinbo? Daniel de bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. You no get God fear o. You know they fear God. Daniel, you know even they fear God at all. You know even they fear God. Because if you get fear of God, you go really know say wait this girl for the day one. I don't think say even love dey inside. Love no dey. Because if love really dey, you really love Victoria. You know go turn her to pumping my chin. You know go turn her to boss her. If boss her, they hungry you supposed to, you see your mate for there, you go boss them. If you don't see €5, they go buy that Igbo way they smoke with a drink. You don't finish. The remaining one, it goes. If you talk, you go give him. If you not talk, you go give him. If everybody believe your lie, say Victoria get boyfriend, now make you kill him. Now make me come and say you are a liar. Daniel, you are a liar. Now me John when you're about to tell you are a liar. Ibi tó bá wà inú túnbù tó wà, inú prison tó wà, that inside prison where you dey. Make them play my voice for you. Now me they tell you say you be liar. You really wicked. You really wicked. Okay, for example, because I say you get boyfriend. Because I say you get boyfriend. Now make you go kill him. Now make you come kill him. Because that one me never see understand that. You see they do me like say me I never even see no. Now because I say a boyfriend way get. Now make you come kill him. Person go call put for this night. Because this your lie. All this your lie, you know see? How many days where you don't do this record, where you don't swear for the innocent woman? For the innocent woman, where God don't punish you so. He never even reach a month. He will say, Victoria, no. As you carry your baguette, go meet your sister. If you let her swear, they follow you, they go. Because not be today. Okay. Now because of that, you don't forget, my people. You see that girl where Daniel the friend for Sandona the peer there. If you dey hear me, oh auntie Mrs. Koi, auntie na me sabi pass. Na me pass Daniel wife. You don't forget, see there is God. The venger of God, it will really come down on top of your head. For what you do, Victoria? You go to fight Victoria. Everybody beg you. May you leave Victoria with your husband. You no agree, oh. You no agree. Because I said, you don't see man. You don't see Daniel with sweet mouth. Amugbo logogoro. You don't see him. Now that time, you won't make you come believe him. No, see Daniel na devil. Now really devil. He suffered this girl, so this girl they die. He suffered Victoria wey they die. I talk to Victoria. Victoria bro mi. Fi bobo yìí lẹ̀. Bobo yìí ò gbádùn. Bobo yìí ò pé. Fi bobo yìí lẹ̀. Kò má gbọ́ o. Bẹ́ni pé wọ́n di etí ẹ̀ ni. Bẹ́ni pé wọ́n di etí ẹ̀ ni. Ó wá succeed now. Ó wá pátó. Ó ṣe tú wá. Dé bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run Daniel. Bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Àwọn tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ̀ ẹ́ ní a years ago, 2 years ago. Àwọn yẹn ní o mọ story ìtàn ayé ẹ̀. Àwa tá a lè kọ story ìtàn ayé ẹ̀ lélẹ̀ Daniel. Abo ti gbàgbé ni. Mo ì máa gbé picture white lady tó fi abandon tó pẹ́ sí garage jáde kí gbogbo ayé rí. Abo ti gbàgbé ni. Ìgbà tó tún wá gbà wé tó pẹ́ kó sí green. May come follow you dey stay for that sandona. You see auntie na one option there o. He go dey green. Make my Oyinbo dey come because of you. Na made that Oyinbo. Na make am divorce him wife. Your husband. The time when the Oyinbo pikin dey find you up and down. Na everything I know, Daniel. If people wey didn't know you yesterday, if you feel dey lie for them, me I go dey debunk that lie. I said me tell you say you go rot for that jail. That jail, you go rot for inside. Because I know say where this my voice go reach, you no go peer your eye. Me I no go lie for you. I no go put lie for your head. Because I know the time, the day when you see Victoria, me I no dey there. Now I love you, my sweetheart, my honeymoon, my sweet pie. Now you take enter with Victoria. Even Victoria know say the marriage no go even reach anything where you go where you throw away, where you kill and throw away. It no go even point. My people, if you meet any man, I love you. My sister, no believe 100%. Fair look grand though, because no be all love, na be love. Me na do this Daniel. Me na take and the get sense. Because if you not tell Victoria, say love her, Victoria no go fit follow am. When the girl born finish, he go turn her to punching bag. Every day beating. Daniel no dey fear God. Daniel no remember say God dey. Daniel no remember say in their family dem go see get woman. I like your family then sharp. Because the video where I do last time, when me take them say they come the 30 Victoria people, and then the 30 don't less. I don't see what they can go do yesterday. But that one, no, you know where Victoria. You know where Victoria, because Victoria they no say the big Victoria. You don't the big Victoria before you carry Victoria come abroad. Now your sister use the man tell me. May you not talk puto because we don't say me no marry Victoria. We don't say we don't marry Victoria. My people, you see all this wish sister-in-law, all this sister-in-law family. No, now be careful. Any man where you dey follow, if you don't see say sister-in-law, don't chop witch for face. Big grace, yo. Big grace, because the thing still there in belle. Because of say they say me Victoria no marry her. If their brother beat and they no go see anything talk. The girl born, they no greet and congratulations. This lady don't feel carry for me, say and say congratulations. Where she born? Because of say me no marry her. So sister-in-law then get their own husband as they get peace. When they go see brother wife, they no go let them get peace. No, na let time, me na get sense. Any sister-in-law, sister-in-law, come as sister-in-law, si kono kon. Any house where you go marry, if you don't know, see they no want you, make you run. Not be today they don't already kill Victoria. They don't they kill them small before he can finish and with knife and bottle. Not be today they use knife and bottle they design that girl body. Victoria no fit pull in shirt. Me one bar for my house. I go dey cry. Say Victoria kilori. gbara no. Tomorrow, if he see beat and finish, he go hospital. 2 days, 3 days. You no go looking for that hospital. You no go looking for that hospital. He go see even the same cost. Go they give him for that hospital. If that one body see they okay. Kini mo fe se bayi. Eje kin too long. Make am see go meet am. That one go see go house. I no want leave my husband. Nobody leave my husband. He no leave am so. He leave am. He no leave am so. He leave am. Because this life, may we look wetin we know say he go favor us for life. Where he go give us long life. Now we supposed to they do. No be person like animal like this Daniel. Daniel na animal. Daniel no be woman being. Now me they talk am. I know what I see before I say Daniel. No be woman being na animal. Daniel na really animal. Because Victoria, she really tried for that boy. She's silent. She keep her secret. She keep her marriage. She do her best. Make this boy change. Make she change. This girl go work. He go carry that money. He go give Daniel. Make for get peace upon that. If Daniel they enter us like this, imagine that. Where my food? If they no born, if you never cook for him, the food where you no put the money for grant, the time where you take come up for us. One day Daniel I call you, I say Daniel, wait till they follow Victoria, they practice so. They not born you oh. Now woman where strong, now I go fear and do you. Because you know this woman, when we say he could prepare you, he could prepare you. Victoria really prepare you for your life. He really prepare you for your life. If it's true to you really love Victoria, as that gets he sacrifices herself for you. Not the way you they ask, we no go do for you. He go pack everything for Caritas. My husband, may for better, may we make him. May they not say, because he carry me come, for that we may family not say, now because no make him. Now so Victoria they do up and down. May you forget peace. But upon that, you don't see give Victoria of peace. My people may not see him. Sister-in-law way no like you. Brother-in-law way no like you the time where you they come. 100%. No let me lie you. No go like you. If you they see later see money for your hand, now your money you want chop. That 100% love you know they inside. Husband when you marry, where your family no want you. You know get what you go do for them, even though you beat us for them, they no go like you. You no get like where they go like you. That hatred is still there with them. That mind of wickedness is still there with them. Now you go come be careful. Now you go be careful. If you dare your own, you get peace. You no get where they for the keep person where no get where no get husband. You no get where they keep person where no get wife. If we say Victoria be single mother that day now, he never die. Oh. Then so shall she carry Victoria for Daniel hand. Now this the so-called sister. This so-called sister. Where Daniel go no saying get where carry pikin go wrong. Go meet so. Now she saying set where the beg go. Where made the poor girl come that way so. Upon that, he no reach them until Daniel he succeed. He use knife. He take kill him with bottle. He stab him for different places. The boy where they stay with them, that boy, he know how many days we pay for hospital. When we say Daniel, he finished that girl. Daniel, the voice record never finish, oh, still continue.
At the beat. You know me before, you know my before. Now they can't know. You don't they finish. You don't live your life finish. You can't bring problem for anything other thing. You can't call my wife. They give her advice. They give her you put big house for you. You put the pay house for everything. You can't make my wife to put answer. You don't look for my 3 children. You don't think about my 3 children. They're going to call me bad man. They beat my wife every time. And they do this. I be bad man. I not be good man. But now they corrupt my wife.
Shut up your mouth for where you did so. You be good man before. Who they corrupt your wife? Your wife. Your wife now know whether pikin go eat. Now know whether pikin go wear clothes. Even you. Money. Then they talk one to say, it good for inside outside or it not good for inside house. Now outside for good. Now be Daniel matter. Now outside for good though. It good for all those in gang when they gather the smoke igbo with a mue. Me then drink na that one day. Cause I mo one there. Na that one take good. Na Victoria no say pikin go eat. Na Victoria no say pikin go wear clothes. Na Victoria no say pikin go do everything. Upon that, you still kill am. You say you be good. You be good man before. You be man. All the old lady almost finished them. For Sandona. Okay. Now Victoria say, maybe you should not want again, no. Now make you go they carry different woman. I think you want tell me say that Victoria be violent. I think Victoria no give you rest of mind because some women know they give their husband rest of mind. Some women they pursue their husband come outside. Truth to God. Some women they go use their hand. They pursue their husband come outside. You go they carry different women. Not be that type at the talk. This type of man when me they talk so. Victoria, she silent die ni. She silent she take die. That idiot when they say you defend for Sandona, we go they fight Victoria because of say that one say me leave you. Chebi they sweet to now. May go meet you for prison. May the auntie go meet you for prison. I need the picture. I know say that my people go bring the picture come out. I go bring the picture come out. Mama fojú ẹ wọ́n. Daniel mo ti sọ fún ẹ. Èmi ti sọ fún ẹ pé kó fi kó má pọ̀ mọ́ yẹn lọ́jọ́ yẹn. Ó rò pé rọ́ ni mò ń pa. Now for the sake of people where they enter small. Now the Daniel picture. Now I want show una so. The sake of people where they enter. This one my wife key Victoria. Now Victoria be this one. Where Daniel key with 3 children. She kill her. She give Victoria the front of their children. I want bring Daniel picture come out. I no want carry the children face come out. I fit carry this one come out. Now Daniel be this one no. The on New Year day when they go settle them for his sister place so now be this one. Daniel, this one na Daniel. The one where they sent na Daniel's sister. Na the Victoria na be that one. Where they peme so you don't peme and don't finish am. He finish am. Then chop am. You get where lay for stand where they stand. Now Daniel be this one. If it clear. Now Daniel be this one. Where kill Victoria. He kill the poor girl. He kill the poor girl for nothing's sake. He no remember the children, the first children. He no even fear of because if he get into where this my wife even they do. He don't born for me. This my wife. He they hungry, you no go see him for his face. You know they hungry, you no go see him for his face. Even though if Victoria, if she no eat 100 years, you no go no say no eat. Now me talking. She go see come out say in the okay. But now me na body language. Now me tell they no see this girl. What did they do you? You they go they do na me they there. I be man. Me they say na me. you be nothing. Chingo no gum you. You be empty. Empty barren now you be Daniel. Na mi, emi mo so be fe mu empty barren ye. O kin shokuni. Man we be man. Man we really be man, we be correct man. You know they maltreat his wife. Now so, no be only man. Even woman. Some woman sit there. They know they let their husband they get peace. Now they go pursue their husband, come outside. And that all those kind level. If correct woman, all this our auntie, if they see her, they feel take care of his husband. Nobody those one they talk. Now person, the one when me they talk, now wicked man like Daniel. I go call one of my sister, my friend. Me help me put man for this matter because many people know me as Daniel, what do they call her? Victoria's sister. I'll call this my sister.
Hello, mommy.
Hello, my sister. Good evening. Oh.
Good evening, ma. Good evening, ma.
Yes,
Good evening, ma.
I want may you see help me talk, oh, because this matter, it they make me, I just they smell, but now pain, they really they give me pain, really pain. How man go take they get bad mind, they use knife, they use bottle, they use everything, they beat his wife. My sister talk put.
Mommy, what thing me go fit put for this matter, because even me, I don't even know the girl.
Okay.
Like now, I'm not to know the girl like that, and I'm not to know any. Are you hearing me, ma?
No, I'm hearing you. Go on.
Okay, I not to know the girl that waiting me just want to put for this matter the day. This one now go teach so many women lessons for this waiting just happen so.
Okay.
It go teach them lessons because if you dey in marriage, when we say this marriage, the man they beat you all the time, you have to just go out of the marriage. You have to go out of the marriage because like this thing will happen to this girl. Like it teach so many people lessons. It even teach me lessons. It weak me down when I hear this thing.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Like we ladies now, we have to learn things from this thing because if this thing doesn't happen like this, one kill one, tomorrow another one still kill another woman. How many women will come remain? And we women now we will come say, make we do as our mother they do that olden day. I won't stay with the man. I don't want to leave the man. I don't want to come for you. I don't want to come for
now
you.
That one, my sister, now they kill many women.
Don't be said to come for you. To born for you, and be the problem. You understand?
Yes.
You feel leave the marriage, make it on your own. Stay on your own. Like somebody like me now. I stay in marriage before, but the man they always they beat me, and I leave the marriage.
Okay, you don't get peace now.
Ma?
You don't get peace now. You get peace. Maybe if you sit there now, maybe if I don't see you.
Mommy, I get peace. I get full peace on my own as they see me here. I they take care of my children. I don't even they care maybe your father give me money or not. I they take care of my children. Anything when they need, I they give them. I get peace on my own. No man they beat me because if I say me and you don't they date, you don't they bring violence and you don't they bring and they come my side, you want to beat me. I will just withdraw my hand. Come on. I will just say almost say your own man, say my own. Because you see this my skin so they don't beat me higher.
No,
Mommy, my husband he carry woman come meet me for house. Not be one, no, not be two. One day, now 3 women, they come they get belly for my husband. 3 women.
Okay. Now see my people.
Me and one of them, we fight so they beat one come out one belly.
Okay.
Destination.
Okay.
My husband, he beat me, he break my head.
Okay.
Because of that woman. Blood they flow. You understand? My mother say I come back to Ram. I go to my mother, I pray, say God, I won't go back to that marriage. I go back. Me and my husband still get something together, I still get belly. He still start again, beating again.
Okay. That one I love.
He even deny. Ma?
That one I love.
That one I love. He even still deny the belly when I carry for her. He denied the
Okay.
pikin. He said no being better. Before my parents come say, oh yeah, come. No matter how pikin bad reach. Omo mi she make pada wale, come back home. Come and stay home. I stayed there. So say I carry the belly reach, born the pikin. After I still born the pikin finish, I still call the man say I don't born. He say I die with the pikin. No thing what use the pikin do. But now the pikin now they find today.
My sister, make the story not too much long, my sister. Which
Why
advice
did it seem?
you get for some women wey dey this kind of situation? Wey they talk say, na my papa, because some of them dey like that. Oh, if you advise them, you go see the auntie no dey husband house. So you know what make me dey husband house? Shebi na my mama, shebi na my papa, shebi dem beat themselves, shebi dem dey there.
Now
Which
they talk,
advice
so
you
if
get
you
for them?
advise them, they will turn against you.
Yes.
So my advice to them is that if you stay in marriage, the man they violent you. The next way you go just do come on.
Just go away.
Because me no go lead to waiting lead to for this girl. So okay, now the man do a finish now. The man call the life say whether na drink. Make under fire and na drink. Which drink?
My sister,
Which
another
drink?
person see they call me.
My advice to them, maybe they use their head. Maybe if you think the man don't they beat to come on, stand on your own. Because some women they when they say they don't fit stand on their own. No. They don't fit stand on their own. Wait so now wait the man they even they give you first. They beat you today, tomorrow, next tomorrow. It damage skin, they damage body. It no good. We need to fight for ourselves. We ladies, we need to fight for ourselves. Just come up for the marriage, stay on your own. Try to. That will not mean that you come up, then you're going to do a show, you're going to do prostitute. No, stand on your own. Walk. Make the man understand that you be woman. You are a woman like a man. You can stand on your own. You can take care of your children. Not be say you can't day, say, hey, my husband, I want to go back, I want to go, my dear. The next one you go just end down at this time when this girl died away. So you think on the same, say the girl just throw away her life for nothing.
My sister, thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you, ma.
Thank you.
Amen, ma.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. This life, no matter anything, I go see they talk my own. This one now, why I even fair put Daniel Omala Egboron Omo Ofo yen ki koko gbe segbe kan na. I put am for one side. Marriage no be by force. The time where we women go sit down, no say, I get husband though, I no get husband though. My two hand, na be my husband. Now that time we go get peaceful. Make dem no talk say I no get man. Make dem no talk say man no dey with me for us. Now some women dey. Some women dey wey be say if their husband dey come house today, go say mutitin lole yen lo muti. I want to go that house, go meet that woman today. No be saying go get peace for that woman hand. Maybe your husband come out, you no give your husband peace of mind. You go see end for die. You no go old. You go quick die. When be say your husband go enter house like this, you go be like say fire. Every day, cause there's some woman like that. Even worse, it worse than man. Some woman they will be say, the cost where go they give your husband. In fact, you no go even expect them for a month. May everybody check in mind. The day of judgment, if they come, oh. Day of judgment, if they come, oh. Daniel judgment, now I collect so. Because now there go die put, now that J go die put. We me know. Now I go die put, oh. Any woman, I beg. Marriage is not by force. If you find yourself in this kind of situation, please, just walk away. If you love yourself, you can walk away and you will still have your own peace of mind. And you will still be happy. Now everybody where girls are happy. Then still girls might be say no happy. Cracker, like this Victoria now. Victoria no say you no go feel say he happy one day till he die. That girl no happy. Now so far with pain, even dead body go dey cry. Now it say die so no peace, no rest of mind, no happiness. You know he still enjoy his children. The children will suffer for. He really suffer for those children. Daniel, where they talk for inside voice notes just now, and they say my children, I they take care of my children. Daniel is shunier. I say you be devil, Daniel. You don't forget. Now the same children you go live on for them. You go carry your onibo go. That your onibo, that odede, my old woman onibo. You go carry and go. If now let that onibo you the friend, if for still good though. Or some black girl, boy. Now your match then go face him. You go shop and you go clean out. You go shop and you go clean out. The poor girl, he go dey find money wey una go take eat. He go dey find money wey una take pay house rent. Now he go find money wey pikin go take eat. If you see go fuck that your toto, that your nibo come. If she go dey kitchen, Daniel, Oloun fìyà jẹ. God go suffer you, Daniel. The really suffer wey pass suffer, God go suffer you. Victoria go dey inside house. The Onibo woman go come. Victoria go another room, go sleep. You go find the kitchen, now she go cook. We all of now go eat. The poor girl no happy. That one no be happy. He take am, he still bear am, may you forgive am peace. May you for know the beat am. Now make am, maybe some people for say, maybe he like am like that. Now make am accept am. He no like am. He no get option. Now make am accept am. That kind of situation. No option. Because they think and say, me they no so say this boy carry me come for Nigeria. I can't reach here, finish. I can't leave her. Now make am dead here. Now make am come dey bear am. Say my dead here, my dey bear am. My dey bear the pain. Make the pain, the pain they go there. Victoria go stand. She go cook. Onibo go come. That Onibo. That one go shop finish. Now your house you go sleep. Oh. You remember the day where God now small. Now remain made the Onibo husband use more to kill you with Victoria and the Onibo. One day inside motor. Where that man saying go kill you, may leave your wife alone. You know, so now because of you, now I made the wife. Now I make divorce the husband. Now just know you yesterday. Now I go believe the lie where you dey lie. Now make am go believe you. You know say me mo mo. I will mo gbangba. Emi mo jara. I know you pass yourself. Daniel, me know you pass yourself. But you no get fear of God. They can't see beg you when you dey beat am. You feel come afternoon, you can't beat am. We die because of that idiot she goat. Wait, get 3 children when you dey sleep for outside. That one, may I not swear for now because in judgment, it already dey in life. Because I don't know why you go believe. As Daniel, they injure that girl rich. You go come believe the lie with it. Because if one man want lie for me now, maybe my wife no good. Now the woman appearance I'll tell you say maybe now truth I be no be truth. Because some man they can lie, they lie. I don't know who lie past them. If they lie for me, say, my wife bad. Now, I go tell you say, the day when me go see the woman, the appearance, it go make me know say maybe now truth the woman no good. Woman where you no give food for us, where you no know whether they live. Why go good? It could use God they pursue you up and down now. It no go let you get peace now. Because you no give them happiness. Marriage is made for peace and love. Where is the love? If you dey follow man, the love where you first follow am for the beginning, if you don't see say don't they fade. Very sorrow. Now so some women see no be only man. some woman now still be wey be say e still worse pass some man wey violent. This life, we need to put everything for the average. Maybe make correct. This side get peace, this side get peace. You go see them, their skin go there, even though money no dey. Enjoyment go dey, happiness, even though na garri they see it. The peace go dey, they get rest. When rest of mind dey marriage, their life, they go get long life. Anything wey they get, it go even long for them. But the one wey be dey, wey don't they turn to bass boss. I go kill you today. Na your papa, na your mama, na this one. You know the end good though. Now see life where Daniel live so. Now see life where Daniel you Victoria live so. Now Victoria dead body na in life na pay me. That time I go advise you. I'm not be àbúrò yín sọ̀rọ̀. Kí n gbọ́ràn ni. Àbúrò yín ò ń gbọ́ràn. Victoria no dey hear word o. Victoria no dey hear word o. If I get this thing, money, Daniel, take care of your wife. He don't born for you. Take care of this girl. If you get, so now, come on, Shimigba o. Some man there wey be say, if you no get work, maybe say na the woman get work. I not to say because of that one, may told the man to rag. Because I say he no get work. No. This one, he get work. He work even many. He get fabrical work wey be complete work. The Onibo wey they carry, they see they give am money. The Onibo not because of money they follow Onibo. The money what they take and do. No be say they bring am come house. So that if the Onibo see say this, the pay too much for this girl, the Onibo go carry Victoria go do shopping for am. Now everything I know, Daniel. I tell you that day, the day when you write me that message, before I come follow you fight, I tell you, I say, Daniel, kò lè gbé nìkan tó ń ṣe. If you want make this thing where they do so, make it good for your life. No suffer your wife. Your wife pain is on top of your life. It no go make you get peace. If I kill her, nobody go ask of me. Tutu, you see kill her. You see coin. You see tell papa say mo ti pa. Elomolopa ni wa. I don't kill her, go carry your police come. You see tell the girl papa like that. Say if you kill her, you no get family, you no get anybody where go ask you. You no say if you no get anybody for this life, God go ask you why you kill that girl. God go ask you why you kill Victoria. Daniel, God go ask you. Victoria's spirit, you no go let you rest, Daniel. Because you make that girl suffer. You suffer her for this life. You give her different pain. That afternoon when you come, when you beat her, it never reach you. Before you come. In the evening when you don't go smoke, your Igbo smoke is drink. Make them for set drink. Now what you want to do in your mind? Not be the today. If I call many people for this live chat now, una hear say nobody know Daniel. We know the talk say I go keep person, I go kill him. The time when you tell me say you go kill me for mercy, I tell you say me yala ya ogbe. You go kill me. Kobiri tatori, kokuri tatori. Kameni lomi lara jura loni. You go kill me because I tell you say me no beat your wife again. You know say na police send them. Now this pastor now begged me for you that time. Before I come quiet for you, say, may I leave you? But I dey advise your wife to go. You know, remember. Daniel, they be rolling. If I see here another line where you see line, where you see Lee come out again, me I go see come live chat. Now tomorrow I say I dey come before. Now tomorrow, now me talk say me dey come before. When me he get what me be one can show people for tomorrow before. He get what I be one can show tomorrow. But when me hear this lie where you lie, I fear you. I know say you be kukuma be devil before. Now people wey don't know you, now I go believe you say I did thing tell happen so. Make them believe you. But me, I no go believe you. Because I know say you be devil. Daniel, I know say you be devil. Mo fa esi ko to Ọlọ́run o. I put it for God. Let God judge between you with Victoria. Your sister. May your sister go to ask for forgiveness. Kẹ́gùn yẹn kó máa wà lórí family yín. Kẹ́gùn yẹn kó máa wà lórí family yín. I know. Kẹ́gùn yẹn kó máa wà lórí family yín. But you succeed, you seek Victoria, oh. You keep Victoria, oh. You can't see the lie. Your voice notes, can't see the send, they go. You know, see, now you even kill yourself now. You go the course, the last Sunday of the December. Who said this one? Enemy, this one. You where they behave like television where you know they clear. I don't tell you that time. I said, Daniel, they go find your pampers, your size of your pampers for market last ni. Show one wa pampers se loja na won ma wa gbeyin ni. Then go find a last. Any man where the wicked woman wetin end Daniel so na going down. You will be woman. Then they beat you, then they carry your head, then they take on the knock wall. Maybe that your head no correct, maybe for correct. See oh, remember, someone don't do it yesterday. Now die. So go say, Papa 60, Papa 70. If they no get patient, they go feed there. Now by force, may you be Papa 60, Papa 70. She be Papa 60, Papa 70. She be they get peace. Now make them be Papa 60, Papa 70. If they no get patient, they go be Papa 60, Papa 70. They no go fit be like that. We know the lie. I beg my people. Everybody, when you did this kind of position, just walk away. Walk away. Walk away. Your life is very important. Even they talk, your life is very important. That's why I say on this light, oh, maybe if I see anything tomorrow, I go see comments. Don't be say I don't talk on that before. Say I want comment tomorrow. Can't do Daniel sister. Me I can't talk no for this matter. I know say na pastor. Maybe she don't ask God for forgiveness. I know they pretend to. I know they stage say we say I want church. But why she quiet? Read this stage. Why she no talk the time when she supposed to talk? Why she no take action the time when she supposed to take action? Why she no behave like God said the earlier time? We be saying now I can't know say she no know. Now you go feed the deceive. Now you go to deceive. You know, say you no go feed deceive me. You with your brother. Now who know them for Sandona yesterday? Now then they go feed deceive. No be me. We be say Noah. We Noah. We me really Noah. No be me go deceive. As I beg you, rich Daniel, I go beg you. Say auntie, Emma ba bro ni sọ̀rọ̀. Abro ni o kin gbọ́ràn. Topo ngbọ́ràn. I go blind eye. I go do this one. True. So then you go beat at midnight. That girl go escape. The time where they sleep outside 9 minutes past that girl. Where go sleep for where then they pack a dirty cloth for outside 9 minutes past Daniel o de bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wo gan ni Tọ́pẹ́ ṣẹ̀? You maltreat that girl till they die. That drink, when they say you drink, because then they talk now which the person but belle, now drink they kill person. If you dey drink, you no see motor for there, may you enter motor, may motor kill you. Abi motor where they drive, may you take am, may you go the all those lago, all those river where surround you now. May you jump enter inside river. But if they carry you come out, may they know say na that drink na cause and will make you jump for inside river. You know road of fast. You know road for fast. Come beat, come kill Victoria. Their sister to sell away carry am for your hand December time. You don't talk am. You say that house. Where they want give Victoria, you say na dead body go stay that house. True. You still succeed. They can't tell me say you don't know what you they do. Say now because you see and say he get boyfriend. If he get boyfriend, say for example, you get proof say he get boyfriend. You no go say me they go in papa and mama house, me you pursue her for a life, me everybody dey you. Talk close say you dey lie. Victoria no get boyfriend. Love where Victoria get for you. I know to say whether Victoria fit follow any man. Now only you. Now only you be the cho. Sangona they go see you. Maestri, this one, Portoguaro, Echo. You go to follow them. Don't you say you be all those guys where you the friend? Don't you say maybe they don't see better man? They not gonna look your wife. Because if you want to follow one man now, you go go look your wife. You go come look him. How you take care of your wife? Maybe what time? Because the care when they be the elderly wife, he did there for the junior one where they come. Unless some woman dey wey be seen and them push their husbands come outside. No be that kind of women at the talk. Now this kind of man wey dey so wey be say Daniel be so. Any man wey be like that, my sister, run no. My sister, run no. Run for your life, oh. If Tope here that time, Tope no go die now. Tope for sit there alive. Everybody wey know Tope, you go know see Tope really suffer. Everybody wey know Victoria, you go know say Victoria really suffer. That girl really suffer. Now the suffer now give me pain. It really give me pain. I dey look and say, now so person they die. God. Why be say the same way Daniel they come where the verse they come for the second time one beat am. Why motor no carry Daniel make kill am for road before I reach where Tope dey? Me they say na Daniel die. You know say if now you die that time, now you die now. Tope family ask your family for don't go put fire oh. Your family for don't go put fire. Tope never died. Tope never died. Now they talk about property. That one I see they come from now. That story never clear that where. That one at the cocoa. At the cocoa those story. I want cocoa very well. Me I cocoa me strong. Before I come carry and come everybody, make everybody hear am. Me see what you now cook for his house. After una kill you, now succeed to kill this poor little guy finish. If papa and mama, you no go get peace. Now the way to now want to thank you be that one. Now what they want to thank be that one? Ula tike kere latin pe karoko. Tori to pa dagba ton, come along down come me. Your people, they know say you get this kind of character. They no good work for your head. Because if we say now let Victoria you beat, the time when Victoria never come, I know as you take beat that your girlfriend where you to affect the camp, where you beat her. That one now that one self nice subdue you because you not be the same village. Because I say Victoria not be your village. Ik back camp where you for come. Now make you fit treat Victoria. You treat until you kill her. You make sure say you kill this girl. Every time buy, every time boy. All Victoria body so mark. One of you like this, no they see where. You bend down, you bend the poor girl, you bend the life. You can't put in mama, in papa, you can't put them for pain. When we say they no go fit forgetting, they go to die. When you want beat this girl, you know remain, you know they think and say, see my children. Front of your children, no na see knife where take kill them. The knife, now police carry come out. Make them see knife wey take kill am. See, now the knife wey take kill wife be this one. Imagine, may man use knife. This kind knife may put am for your wife body. May chook am. He don't fit use bottle because of the boy where stab. Where that one run for his life. Now bottle the first say if it go in body, if put bottle for his body, designer everywhere. He say the guy you know that he see the feel they breathe. That boy he drag am. Before he can't face that boy can't run. Now he come out, now he can't carry this knife. Now this knife, now police see him for his hand. Where he pikin come to say, na papa na use this knife kill mama. Now he pikin can't do the weakness finish. The children, which memory you give all those children? If all those children think of that thing, how you want me them normal, Daniel? Because you don't already crazy before. They don't already know, say you don't already dementia. Because your life, you don't think and say it don't already end for there. But why you not think for these children? Front of your children, 3 children, for God's sake. You kill the woman. I put your matter, Daniel, may God judge you. I see the on top of your matter. Any of your voice note, wow, see here and bam, I will see comments. Because you be devil. People will not know you. Now I don't know you. Me, I know you. I know you pass yourself. I know you pass yourself. I know say na devil. Anybody where you see with your wife. Many people they testify push for this matter. Say anybody where you see say he give my wife husband or he give my wife husband. No one anybody near your wife. If you get husband, if you no one see anybody for you, they know say this one na die yo. May not one day don't enter us, come carry something, knock you. If you don't die, finish. Victoria don't die now. Where the children? Children wait because of and suffer now. As it's not society, don't carry on. They don't carry on. They're not there again. Daniel, where are they now? I know, say where you go there now, Daniel. Anytime they play this my video for you, your eye don't clear. Wawa ma ranti, you go dey remember the word where they take the advise you. You go dey remember that time say I really try my best for you. But it's a D. You know the year word. I will stop this my video for this place tonight. But tomorrow I'll still come out again. Thank you and God bless you all.